Then you, at yung mangintag, suits bulsa. Siya ako niliyon sa mga bulsa sa panganin mo. Ashron. Okay, sige, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Uy, baka pa tayo kalibutan. Okay, ready? Everybody, hands down. Hands down and up. Hands up. Okay, Pastor, ready? Up, big, ready? Go down. Up, down, up, down, up. Everybody go jump, jump. Jump, higher, jump, jump, jump. Okay, everybody turn around, go. Turn around, then clap your hands. Clap your hands. Okay, everybody, pungko kanan. Abdi, paro. Pungko, paro. Pungko, paro, paro sa mo. Pungko. Pungko lagi mo. Pungko eh. Alright, everybody stand up and clap your hands. Okay. Hi! Hello.
Hello.
Hello. Hi! Hello. Alright, let me ask you first, whose birthday today, Lorenzo? Whose birthday today? Juliana. Juliana at Mango. No? How old is Juliana? 1. Okay, today is the first birthday. So now, kids, first game is what we call Bring Me Game. No? Okay, kids, I want you to go to your mommy, go to your daddy, then ready for the Bring Me Game. Everybody go, run! Run! Okay, please, adults, help them with mga kids, ha? Mga ito pupunta, I'm going to ask you a thing. And then first kid, unang bata ka pala sa mga ako, mga yun, ano, dito, bilang ang pinasa lagi sa mga siganahan ninyo. Sa lalo ka lagi po yan, ito talaga sa kanya, sila yung magulang. Ready? Okay, now, first bring me this cool music. 1, 2, 3, kids, I want you to bring me your sexy mommy or beautiful grandma. Ali, sexy mommy or beautiful grandma. Okay, sige. Kamu tuh ada your prize there. Mommy, it's your prize there, mommy. Okay, now, just choose what you like. Okay, kids, this time, I want you to bring me one decimal point. Dali, please say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, congratulations, get your 1 peso on one winner. It's Road. Okay, get your 1 peso, Road. Okay, Road is the winner. Okay, Road, get your prize. Get your prize. Alright, everybody, now next, bring me. Kids, I want you to bring me big. This time, I want you to bring me a pair of sandals from your mommy. Ready? 1, 2. Okay. Congratulations, get your prize here. Okay. Next, bring me. Kids, this time, I want you to bring me your handsome papa or macho kuya. Dali! Handsome papa or macho kuya. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. O, anak, nabilin. Ang mahal na ko na. Okay, congratulations, Daddy. Okay, Daddy, get your prize, Daddy. Alright.
Asa yung prize?
Hindi ka, gusto mo babila, it's okay. Ay, huwag yan! Okay, game. Nananawa, balik din sa ating mga
Apil, dito na yung nagang prize sa gilid.
Para ma-energize sa dito sa ating mga skilly masters. Okay, everybody, balik din sa ating for the next